Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 11, container with most water. We are given an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that two endpoints of the ith line are I, 0 and I, height of I. Find two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. So these are the heights. We are given the height in an array. So the above vertical lines are represented by array 186254837. In this case, the max area of water, which is blue section, the container can contain is 49 because the height, if you see here, the height is 7 and here it is also 7. So 7 into 7, 49. So so what we can do, we can have a result variable which keep tracks of the maximum water it can store. Then we can have left variable and right variable. So left right is basically the length of the array minus one right. While L is less than R, first we will find the area between these two points. So the formula of area is width into height. So width is r minus l, and here the height will be minimum of these two, height of l, comma height of r. Now we can update the result variable to store the maximum area. Now if we can update, if whichever height is lesser, we will increment that. So if height of l is lesser than height of r, we can basically increment L by 1. Otherwise, we can decrement R by 1, right? So return result. Let's run this code. So it is accepted. Submit the code. It is working fine. So the algorithm is working fine, and the time complexity of the algorithm is order of n because we are using only one for loop, one while loop. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.